Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
You know, we've been seeing a lot of these kind of cool pictures, but here's another one where we see the sun setting in the west. This one here comes to us from Sandy Dara, and she said it was setting so fast she almost missed the shot because what's happening as it gets closer to the horizon, the layer of smoke seems to get thicker and thicker and thicker and literally blocks out the sun, and that's basically what was happening there. Here's a cool looking shot. This comes to us from Floyd Tillery. You're looking at the Buffalo Bill Reservoir, and look at the sun setting back behind there, and look at the smoke up in the clouds. Yeah, that's what they had there as well. Meanwhile, here in the Billings area, this is the way things are shaping up tonight for us. It's still pretty cloudy, and we're looking at smoky conditions and 58 degrees right now. As you'll see, our wind is calm at the moment. It was out of the northeast a little while ago. And our high temp today topped out at 67 degrees. 73 is your average high for this time of year. The record, 94 back in 1979. The record low is 29 back in 1965. And that sunset today at 7:22. Sunrise tomorrow about 6:54, getting closer to 7 o'clock. Well, of course, that makes sense. We're getting close to the autumnal equinox. Meanwhile, let's move on and show you current temperatures right now into the 40s and 50s in the southwest, with a little bit cooler there. Across the high line into the 50s here. Of course, here in Billings, we're at 58, 56 in Miles City. Northern Wyoming also into the 50s. And as you'll see, our reported highs today, 60s and 70s across the high line. In the southwest over by Butte, they were one of the warm spots. They were sitting above the layer of smoke in many cases, and they were at the 81 degrees. 75 over in Dillon. You see 74 in Bozeman. And back here towards the southwest, temps mostly into the 70s there in south central Montana as well. But we still have this air quality warnings across much of western Montana until tomorrow morning. May be updated again tomorrow morning. But once again, those who have pretty strong problems with breathing that air. It's just really tough because there's a lot of particulate in the air, and it's actually unhealthy for them. Meanwhile, out in western Montana, take a look at this. Every reporting station we have, the air quality there is unhealthy. Back here east of the divide, seems like Bernie's the only one that's kind of unhealthy. Everyone else generally good or moderate. So things there east of the divide is a little bit better. Tomorrow, looking at fire weather watch. Actually starts on Friday at noon and goes till 9 p.m. in the southwest. Once again, we'll be looking at high winds, high temperatures, low humidity, and if a fire gets started, it'll burn out of control in a hurry. And also, those high winds could cause erratic fire behavior in southwestern Montana and northwestern Wyoming throughout much of the day on Friday. We have another system moving in on Friday, and that could also spawn some showers and maybe some thunderstorms. Maybe some lightning strikes could cause some more fires as well. Over here in Missoula, look at this. That's not rain, that is smoke all of a sudden popping up on the radar scope. Elsewhere, generally dry skies across much of Montana. But here's the big hope right here. This low pressure cell here, as it sits and spins, we think it may start pushing some more moisture onshore. Could bring us some spotty rain showers. Watch it. Here's the way it goes. It comes onshore. This is all smoke, right? Continues to push its way up in towards Montana. So we're still going to be smoky off and on, thick and thin for a few days off and on. And so what's going to happen here tonight, we still have that one cold front that moved through last night become a stationary front, cooled us off. Here it's kind of mild. On the other side of that system, it's a little bit warmer, and we'll see this system kind of oscillate back and forth for the next few days. And eventually, by the time the weekend gets here, this next system will move in and bring us a chance for some scattered rain showers. In the meantime, tonight our temps cool back down to the 40s across much of the region, 53 over the Red Lodge, 52 at Cody. Then for tomorrow, we're getting back up into the 70s, some low 80s, 80 degrees over at Columbus, 82 at Livingston. Here in Billings will be 76 degrees. But tonight in Billings, we're going down to 48 degrees with clear skies and some more smoke in the air. Then for tomorrow, we're back up into 76 with smoky conditions, 85 on Friday with smoke. On Saturday, maybe some rain showers moving in, 79, 30% chance for rain showers. Then on Sunday, 74 degrees with a 20% chance for rain. Monday, 80 degrees. On Tuesday, the first day of fall, 80 degrees. And the first full day of fall, it'll be 82 degrees on Wednesday. That's a look at the weather. We'll be right back.